Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say in government dey ready well to join hand with security agencies to tackle the serious wahala wey criminal gangs wey dey build weapons for the state dey cause. Obaseki tok dis one when Major General Obinna Onugbogu wey be the General Officer commanding GOC 2 Division of Nigeria Army visit am for Government House for Benin City. Governor Obaseki come hammer well on top how serious the administration dey take the recent kasala wey happen when some militants and some Okomu boys shoot at some soldiers for Okomu area. E come make am clear say in government don vow to catch all the people wey get hand for the matter and dem go work well with security agencies to make sure say dem succeed for this plan. Oga Obaseki come salute the important role wey military dey play to support security for Edo State and say the brigade commander na member of the State Security Council and this show how dem dey work together with other security agencies for the state. Obaseki come hail the military for their support and promise say dem go continue to back both state and federal security agencies to make sure say dem fit protect lives and properties for Edo people well.
We had an incident in the Okomo area last week where militants and some community boys shot at some soldiers. Fortunately, we had no casualty, but we are not taking it lying low. We are going after all those that were involved in the incident. Like I said, we will not accept the level of arms buildup by cultists and Okagiles in Edo State. And the government of Edo State wants to reiterate that, particularly with the backing of the military, we will go after criminal gangs who are constituting a nuisance in Edo State and building up arms in our state to terrorize innocent citizens.
Major General Onugbogu for im talk come thank Governor Obaseki for how dem welcome am and come hail the open discussion wey dem get on top security kasala wey dey affect the state. E come appreciate the support wey dem dey get from the government for their operations for Edo State and say e dey important to keep peace and security, especially as some small pikins wey no well attack soldiers recently. E come assure say dem go take serious actions against any criminal wey wan spoil the work wey military and other security agencies dey do for the state.
We have had very recent clashes where a few misguided youth have attacked our men. This is quite unacceptable, and I have conveyed that to His Excellency. Going forward, we are hoping that such an incident would not occur again, and if it does occur, we will take decisive action to stop all criminals who tend to thwart the activities of the Army and other security agencies within Edo State. That said, sir, we'll continue to work with the people, to work with the state to ensure that things remain calm within the state. I was also yesterday in the presence of His Royal Majesty, the Oba of Benin, where I also conveyed this message, and he reassured me that the people will work with us towards safety and security within the state. So we are glad that all sectors of Edo State, be it government and traditional, is working towards the same purpose.
Governor Obaseki and Major General Onugbogu don make am clear say dem ready to fight against crime and to protect the safety of everybody wey dey for Edo State, and say e dey important to shine your eye and take actions to stop weapons wey don dey plenty for the state and to tackle any security wahala well. Governor Obaseki know say e get challenges wey dey ground, but e dey optimistic say dem go fit achieve lasting peace and security for the state as dem don join hand with security agencies and the community. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ujisele, TMC TV News.